Hello students, welcome to my channel eMath tutorial. Today we are going to see some facts about animals and birds. If you like my video, please click the like button, subscribe my channel and share my videos to your friends. Fact number 1. Ants never sleep. Fact number 2. Bats are the only mammal that can fly. Fact number 3. Butterflies taste with their feet. Fact number 4. Camels have 3 eyelids to protect their eyes. Fact number 5. Cockroaches can live for a week without heads. Fact number 6. Dolphins sleep with one eye open. Fact number 7. Elephant is the only mammal that can't jump. Fact number 8. Giraffe is the only animal that cannot make sound. Fact number 9. Hummingbird is the only bird which can fly backwards. Fact number 10. Octopus has 3 hearts. Fact number 11. An ostrich eye is bigger than its brain. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.